Hello friends, I'm Regina. Welcome to my channel. And this is my entry into hashtag Make Art with Martha, an open collaboration hosted by Martha Makes Art. So I'll have Martha's channel linked down below, of course. So my entry is this is my little art project that I made, a hybrid gift card, little mini journal. So I fussy cut out the elf and the little gifts there. And then I've got the stickers on the back. And this is like some pretty red cardstock that goes well for Christmas. Okay, so that's the elf and the penguin. Okay, so I handmade the little journal there. Going by what Melissa Sue showed us how to make these real simple, easy, fun journals. At Melissa Sue, of course, I will link her channel down below too if you want to go watch how she shows us how to make the different journals. Okay, so there's the pockets. You just fold the cardstock up and I rounded the corners a little bit and just put a little glue there so it's double pockets. Okay, so my little signature there is, well, in this pocket, that was some Timu ribbon. I cut that there for the elves because this theme, y'all see this theme is, part of it is about elves. Well, Chris sent us elves. So there's a postcard I got from Timu. It came in a pack, which there's Santa and some of his cute little elves, adorable. And there's the reindeer. Okay, so elves goes in with the theme. Let's see. I think I had this like that. Okay. So then we've got some the ready to fold papers, or like this. All of the papers I cut them out, and there's the middle of the signature there. So that's the Melissa and I call these ready to fold because they come long ways like that, and you just fold them up and put your thread, your wax thread through there and make your journal. Very easy. Okay, so that's the front of the ready to fold and the back of the ready to fold paper. So it's pretty poinsettias, like goes well with the Christmas theme. Okay, so then I then I used like some got this from Walmart. It's the sturdy construction paper. So on the back side of this, the poinsettia ready to fold paper, I glued, this was coming in a set of some Timu Christmas papers. That's pretty. And then on this side, that was another that came, it was one of the cut aparts. So I glued that there. I thought that was cute for Christmas. And it goes to my daughter-in-law, so a little bit of feminine. Okay, and more feminine. Angelica, that's Dollar Tree wrapping paper with the Rugrats, and I put a little piece of, I'm going to trim that up there, a little piece of satiny like ribbon that, this came from Dollar Tree or Dollar General one, so I just put a little piece of that down there. So I tried fussy cutting out Angelica, but it didn't, it looked better to me just to cut that one. I tried it both ways. So there's Angelica, and then I cut from the same wrapping paper, candy cane. Okay, so over there is, let's see, yeah, that was the same wrapping paper. I got the tree and then the little holly. I thought that was cute. Okay, and then this is the center of the signature. So this, one of the themes in the journal is about the elves and Angelica. So, which this, I did the same thing that I did in my journal I showed y'all last week. My first journal that I made it was about Christmas papers, and it was the same, similar. The elves made me do it, so I like that, and that kind of went with this theme. So I did the same thing here. I've got I cut a piece of the elf wrapping paper here, and then that's from the Timu ribbon. So the elves made me do it. And you know, Angelica is mischievous, so she's trying to blame it on the elves, whatever she did. I don't know if they're the scapegoat or if they really made her do something. I think she's mischievous, anyways. But I'm learning, like, I use like my little bone folder, which this time I just got a credit card that I use sometimes, and after I glued that on, I kind of smoothed it down. But you gotta be really careful because it kind of took a little bit of the surface of the wrapping paper there. So apparently this delicate. Anyway, so, which, you know, I'm learning. The more I do, the more I learn. So that's the back side. And then I cut one out of Tommy from the wrapping paper and his candy cane. And then over here I've got, this was a Timu ribbon, they call it gross grain ribbon that I put on the construction paper. And then it ties in, the candy cane there ties in with the candy canes there. That's Santa, the gingerbread house, the candy canes. And I just made it simple. I didn't want a whole lot of, I wanted simple decorations. Okay. And then over here I cut out more from like the elf paper, the elf and the gifts. And then on this side I put a cute little elf sticker. Those were Timu stickers here. Okay, so if she wants to, she can add something, journal something, whatever, if she wants to. So there's the back. Okay, so then, and there's the penguin that ties in, penguin sticker that ties in with what I've got in the pocket here. So let's see, we've got the, and then there's the penguin there. I took the little gift card tag. These came from Dollar General. And then I'll personalize there. I'm going to give this in her gift. So, and then there's the penguin memo pad that I folded to make it fit the way I wanted in the pocket. And then there's the little gift card envelope. So I put some more of the little elves and the gifts there. And then on the back I put an adorable little snowman sticker. And then of course, you know, you can put gift card or some money or whatever in there. So that will tuck down in the pocket. Okay, so got that there. And then, okay, we'll put this next. So we got the elves and kind of the elves and the penguin thing. So there's our cute little penguin. So I tried to tie it in. I've got, you know, the elf ribbon. Oops, I think it's dark in here. The elf ribbon and the elves there, and then there's the penguin sticker to tie in with the penguins, and then on the back I've got the penguin and the elf sticker. Okay, so that's my entry into Martha's collaboration, and like I said, I'll have her channel listed down below, and also Melissa's, who I her tutorial showed us how to make the cute simple journals. So this is my Christmas gift card hybrid journal. Okay, thank you so much, Martha, for hosting, and everyone please go check out Martha's channel and check out what everyone else has posted, and for hashtag make art with Martha. And so we will talk to you on the next video. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching, and hope you have a Merry Christmas, and like I said, we'll talk to you on the next video. Bye, friends.